I don't want them to jump. Just make it count when I bring them to you. That's all. Oh my God. He's a giant. Here he comes. Here he comes. You ready? You ready? Oh, he's foul hooked. He's foul hooked. You ready? Whoa. Y'all still there? All right, good. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Kill Outdoors. This video right here is just a 2-day fishing trip. The 2 ponds that I go to, and this time of year, I really use 3 main baits. That's the jig, the rattle trap, and the jackhammer chatterbait. And I kind of wanted to see which baits would produce the most fish and the biggest fish. And so I just put this video together, and I want y'all to check it out. And also, a lot of people ask me the name of the baits I use and whatnot. I'm putting all the links to the baits in my description, so y'all check it out. And yeah, as always, I appreciate y'all. It's shallow over there. Yeah. Nice. Oh, here you go. Oh, it's a good one. Get in that. Get in that. I may have just hooked them sideways. Feel like a decent one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on in. Come on in. Hold on. Oh. Take your time. Take your time. Hold on. He gonna dive when he see the net. Oh, look. All right, there you go. You all right? You all right? Good deal. Good deal. It's funny how they dive as soon as they see that net. Good deal, yo. Rattle trap, y'all. So that ain't a bad one. Nick, I forgot my tackle box, yo. I'm serious. You got the thing to take the hook out his mouth? Heck no. Oh boy. All right, we'll get it straight. I gotta go back and get that tackle box. All right, folks, got the hook out. Get them back in the water. I'm gonna go get my tackle box so I can have my skill and the pliers. Good fish. Real nice fish. Not yet. I see marks and stuff. Like that way. Yeah. Sideways up. Yeah, I can see a part of it now. Yeah, on the jig. Ready? Good deal, good deal. On the jig. Man, Joker's got quality. Quality, y'all. On the jig. Hold on, let me turn it back. See, he come from right beside the tree. I mean, right beside, I threw it up in that little brown spot. About 2 feet off the bank. Good. Good deal, y'all. This one on the jig. First one came on rattle trap. Not a bad fish at all. Out here testing out the new depth finder. The Ranch HDS Carbon 9. All right, folks. Get this one back in the water. Nice 2-pounder. Get the cast that one. That was definitely a fish though. I wish there was 3 of them. I think it was kept more with you in the sunlight. It's small one. Jig. Small one. I'm like this thing. You throwing a jig too? Well, this one just small, a little small. What's that? A 1/2 ounce? This 3/8. Another little one on the structure bug. Yeah, so there's a lot of limbs down there too. A whole lot. Peon. Seen him swimming to the left. I was like, I think he on there. Perfect hook set. A long structured jig, y'all. Small one. I think he still go 12. Oh yeah, he 12. Oh, here he is. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one, y'all. Real good one on the jackhammer. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Wow. Chatterbait just came out his mouth. Wow, right up on the bank. It's a solid fish, y'all. I get his mouth open. Wow, look at that. That's a hell of a first fish. Every bit of 2 pounds on a jackhammer. Let's get a weight on him real quick. Scale 0. Whoa. Holding at 3.9. 3.9, not a bad fish. Not a bad first fish. Right up on the bank. Take a quick picture and get this joker back in the water. All right, folks, time to get him back in the water. Catch him another day. Good fish. Great first fish. Like I said, it's a jackhammer, 1/2 ounce, fire craw. All of my baits, I'll put a link in the description where you can go purchase them. These are hard to come by this time of year, but I believe Amazon still has a few that are available. So I'll put that link in the descriptions and y'all check it out. Oh, a small one. A tiny one. He did exactly what he was supposed to do and crush it. Choke that thing. Can't even see the trailer. Oh man, I done broke my damn. I forgot it was broke. I tried to fix it. There we go. All right, come on up out there. All right, we got him. Little tiny one, y'all. Pray to get bigger. Oh, something smacked it. He didn't get it though. Try again. There he is. He ain't big, I don't think. He's decent. Decent little chunk. Oh. Well, knock my phone in the water now. Calm down. Calm down. Let me sit down. That's another one. This one's smaller than the first one. A decent little fish. Not too bad. Alright, get them back in the water. It's the 3rd one on jackhammer. That one was actually out a little bit from the bank. Probably about, I don't know, 12 yards. I think it's probably about 5 or 6 feet right now. So go keep up with the trend, hit up close by the bank, and then throw parallel if we don't get no bites right up on the bank, and see what else happens. Yeah, barely hooked. A small fry, about 1.5 pounds. Good old rattle trap. He smacked that thing too. decent one. I want to say I paid around 7, almost 8 something. And that was kind of cheap back then.
Yeah.
So, but I mean, we're, oh, there he is. Well, that's a decent one. On the jig. Oh yeah. Ain't a bad one. Fat little thing.
See what you're using. I need to see what you're using.
Jig. Hold on. I'll show you. Let's get this joker back in the water. Ain't a bad one.
Not a bad one.
Alright, swim off. There you go.
No clinic, man. My guy just put me on the fish.
Look at this. Look at this.
He comes on the fish when somebody can catch him on the boat, you know. Oh, wow. You got out of that tree, didn't you?
Well, I got stuck on a limb, and as soon as I snatched it off the limb, he hit it.
That's what I thought that while ago was right up in the middle of those.
Yeah, decent little one. Well, oh, here you go. Here you go. Oh, this is a big one. This is a big one. Get the net. Get the net. Get the net. This is a huge fish. This is the big one. Oh my God. Get the net. This is him. This is a huge one. This is a huge fish, yo. Oh my God. He's coming around. He's coming around. This is a giant. This is a giant. This is a giant. I ain't put too much pressure on him. Oh my God. I don't want him to jump. I don't want him to jump. I don't want him to jump. Just make it count when I bring him to you. That's all. Oh my God. He's a giant. Here he comes. Here he comes. You ready? You ready? Oh, he's foul hooked. He's foul hooked. You ready? Whoa. Whoa, whoa,
Probably
whoa.
the sun right dead in my eyes.
Right here, right here, right here. There you go. Good deal. Thank you. Thank you. Woo. Thank you, thank you. Oh man, look at that. Killer Outdoors, we have done it. Do me a favor, can you flip that bail up on my rod right beside you? Flip the bail up. Yeah, flip it up. All right, gotcha. Oh my God, this is our 5 or 6 pounder for the day. Pretty sure.
Bail back down there.
Huh?
Let's flip the bail back down so it doesn't get tangled.
All right. Man. Oh my goodness.
Out the middle of the pond.
Out the middle. Out the middle. I remember I was telling you the other day, I was like, I said how they all came out the middle.
Tell me if you need me to do something. I'm fishing, but I mean, I'll help you do anything you need me to do.
I appreciate you. I appreciate you. As soon as he hit it, I knew immediately. I was like, this is him. As soon as he hit it, I said, that's him. But one thing, he was kind of hooked foul too. Like I think it was in his mouth and then came out. Trying to get these. All right, folks. Scale 0. Scale 0.
Where's you going?
That's it. 4.5. 4 pounds, 5 ounces. Nice little chunk.
4 pounds, 5 ounces?
Yeah, 4 pounds, 5 ounces. That's what the scale say. She ain't got quite a super heavy stomach on it. 4 pounds, 5 ounces. All right, folks, get her back in the water. All right, y'all. So after we told it up, you got the jig, caught 5 on it. You got the jackhammer chatterbait, caught 3, and you got the rattle trap, Red Eye Shad. Is what I use. Caught 3. Now the jig produced the most fish, but it seems like the rattle trap caught the biggest fish. Also, chatterbait had some pretty solid fish on it too. My main point, you need to be throwing all three this time of year. Far as colors go, I like personally Red Eye Shad. I like it red, just like tiger red this time of year. Chatterbait, same thing, either fire crawl color or actually black and blue. I've caught quite a few this time of year on black and blue, but I just happen to use the fire crawl in this video. Also the trailer for it, the Rage trailers. I like to use the crawl trailers versus the swim bait trailers with my jackhammer, just because I can fish it in cover a little bit easier without getting hung, because that crawl trailer lays flat versus that swim bait trailer up and down. So when it goes over log, a lot of times that crawl save you from getting hung versus that swim trailer, which is vertical, that kind of, I don't know, just my experience, it'll roll to one side or another when it comes over a log and give you a better chance of getting hung. So I just like to go with the crawl trailers. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'll put the links to all the baits that I used and the trailers to them in the descriptions. And as always, I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all next time.